Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove account warning on TikTok. Right, so basically, if you have violated any kind of rules and regulations of TikTok and you have posted any kind of, unregulated videos such as pornography or violent type videos, that's why TikTok has just gave you a account warning on your ID, right? So how you can just raise a voice against this and how you can just remove it, right? So basically you have to just go to the google.com and here you have to type TikTok appeal feedback, right? And basically you will see here, say this and just click on share your feedback, right? And after that you will get this kind of information here. You have to enter your email address, then you have to just enter the username, and after that the topic, right? So just click on the topic and here you will find so many things. So just click on account ban and suspension, so just click on here, and after that you have to explain. This is very important, guys, so just listen me carefully. So here you have to type very important, you have to explain your problem, and if your account has got account warning by mistakenly, you can just explain them. And if you have violated any kind of rules and videos and you have posted some kind of this kind of videos, then just make sure that you explain it here very well. And in the below there is this is optional attachment, so basically you can just upload the photographs or screenshot just for confirmation, right? And you have to just check mark this both boxes, and after that just click on submit. So this is pretty easy, guys. If you found this video really interesting and helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.